Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for JASMY, we are trading at 0.00382, 24-hour volume, we're up 102%, and market cap, we are up 8.38%. Heading over to our daily chart, we do have a target here for our area of resistance. We can see a few candlesticks on November 13th, 14th, here on November 24th, and then again here on December 7th as an area of resistance. So as the price itself today so far peaked at this area of resistance, we may see the price correct itself. And as we can see with our volume profile, which is this blue and yellow indicator on the right hand side, we are going to be focusing on these nodes here, which has a high interest of sellers or buyers, but we just want to focus on the volume itself. So we can see this node where the price is normally at and coming down to the outskirts of these smaller nodes itself. So again, we can see this is a good area of supply and demand from our area of resistance down to that area of support. Now, as we can see, coming down to this area of support, roughly around our 23% of our fib, but that is further down that we are going to be expecting. We are going to expect the price correcting on a daily time frame down to 61% of our fib here at 0.003621. Now we can already assume and see that the RSI itself is considered to be overbought here. Now going into the previous candlestick action, going into today, we do see a slight trigger of a buying opportunity here where we see the K line above our D line itself, which does trigger that buying opportunity. Now one of the things we want to make sure is that if the uptrend itself is supported by the volume, and we can see in the last previous candles or previous volumes, it actually decreased going into this candlestick. So proceed with caution as the volume is not supported, and this is going to be our target for that correction on the daily time frame. Heading over to a 4-hour time frame, you guys, again, area of resistance here, we can see the Bollinger Band upper band is considered as overbought here, and as we can see for JASMY, as soon as we touch the upper band, it does correct downward. So multiple areas here coming up to the Bollinger Band correcting itself. So that's what we're going to experience in the next couple of hours or so, is that correction here for JASMY. Now, one of the things, again, I'm going to scroll out here to see an area of support. And if we can see a few of our candlesticks here are retracing down to this level of roughly around this node here that we can see at 0.00364 for a correction. So again, a few of our candlesticks coming down to this area of support. And again, we are hoping that we are able to hold on to this support, because once we see the price action here, if price does make a correction and hold it very so closely, it is going to continue upwards and retest the 61%. We can see the Bollinger Bands are reacting and expanding, meaning higher volatility is going to come into play here, and that the price is going to move fairly quickly. One of the things I do want to show you in a 4-hour time frame before we move on to the 2-hour time frame is this golden cross here. We can see our 20 moving average crossing above our 200 moving average here, which again does give us that golden cross in the 4-hour time frame. One of the things we do want to make sure is make very small corrections. You can see as the price increased here, we were making small corrections as the price was very aggressively coming up, and we can see with the MACD line or MACD indicator at the very bottom here just open it up its wave in the green section. So we are most likely going to be retesting this so long as we make short corrections and hold the price above our 20 moving average to hold the momentum of this uptrend. Now, lastly, we're going to go over to the 2-hour time frame. Once again, we can see here in our RSI, we see that selling opportunity as the D line comes below our K line itself, but did not, or it's not looking like it's going to last that long. We can see that we can possibly have that another buying opportunity as the momentum is growing stronger. We see these lines further apart, strengthening the momentum at an area of resistance here. Now, again, just proceed with caution as we are looking at the tops here of our candlesticks. We are most likely going to come down and correct it, but depending on the momentum of our candlesticks here, we do see some selling opportunities, but we may actually come down, and our target here is going to be the 61 or the small little node that's sticking off here we're roughly again looking at 0.00375. So those are my targets here for JASMY. Very exciting to see. Definitely let me know down below what you guys think about the coin. Also like and subscribe, but I'll see you next time.